Hey there, if you want to know how to turn on or off separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to settings. Now go to sounds and vibration. From here, you just need to tap on this separate app sound, and from here you can tap on this turn on now to turn on this separate app sound, where you can select the apps that you want to use for separate app sounds. You can select by tap on this. You can select at least 5, maximum 5 applications. From here you can also add some new apps by tap on this plus icon, and from here you can add some new applications that you have right now on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. That's how you can just turn on your separate app sound on your device. Now if you tap on this toggle button for once, and if it turn into gray color, then it does mean that you have just turned off separate app sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So that's how you can simply turn on or off separate app sounds on your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.